Hashtag GizzyCredit. Hashtag GizzyCredit. Hashtag GizzyCredit. Gizzy.
Mi gente, what's good with you? Shout out to all of you who start credit repair with us, and shout out to all of the returning customers. Shout out to you. Anyways, you already know. Coming through with some credit repair results for this customer out of Chicago. Contacted me last year, started in July, and just now, June, 4th, 5th, right now, we were able to remove her bankruptcy from her Equifax file. Let's show you right now, but like I always say to you guys, credit repair is a process. Any account on any credit report could be removed in 30 days or 3 months or 6 months or 9 months or 12 months, even longer. But we commit to the file until everything is removed, and that's first. All right, let's go and see these results. All righty, we can see this customer started back in July last year. Right now, she sent me her credit repair results from Equifax. Showing me the account. We disputed, of course, some addresses that were removed, but if you can see right here, public record information, U.S. Bankruptcy Court, Chicago. All right, this account has been deleted from the credit file. All right, so good for her. One of the last accounts to remove from her Equifax file. I'm always happy for these customers, especially the patient customers who trust us and know that we're gonna come through for them. Anyways, bendiciones to you. You're looking for a credit repair quote, you already know. DM me your email address or email me at GizzyCredit@GizzyCredit.com, and I'll send you that info. Let's go.
Don't get scammed. What you need is just a change of plans. And time is money, you know, get that cash. Whatever comes, just get